Hello and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business and sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. I tried to do the bum. Didn't seem to work out too well there. Well, I want to welcome you back. This is Monday, August 24th, and I want to talk to you about something really quick today because I get this question a lot, and it boils down to plugins, and I want to talk about Izotope RX7 Elements and Standard. Now, listen, one thing or a couple things, but one of the major things we as voice actors really struggle with is mouth clicks, right? Mouth noise. I mean, I remember when I first started, it was a nightmare. I constantly had so much mouth noise that it took me forever to go through and edit everything out. It was a mess. Then I heard of Izotope and RX7 Elements. So I went and I purchased that from Izotope, and it came with a couple of things. Like it came with a declicker, and it also came with like a voice denoise or like a denoise plugin as well. And basically, the idea behind these plugins is that they are programs created to where you just, fix the setting, press the submit button, and it's supposed to clear up all of the problems you have without you having to go through it manually. Well, anyways, it worked kind of okay. The declicker worked to a point, but if you pushed it a little too far, it would start to take off frequencies at the end of your sentences, and really didn't work the way I really needed it to work. So later on, I found RX7 Standard. And the standard version really has one part to it. It has a bunch, but it has one part to it that is absolutely incredible, and that's the mouth declicker. Now don't mess up the declicker from Elements and the mouth declicker from Standard. The Standard's more expensive, but the mouth declicker from Izotope was actually created specifically to get rid of those mouth clicks. And it doesn't degrade your audio. It's fantastic. It has just decreased the time it takes me to edit by tenfold, because that really the most of the time, especially when you're just starting out or going through, most of the time we're taken up with getting rid of clicks, mouth noise, and stuff like that. So that's a really good solid plugins that I recommend is the RX7 Standard by Izotope. I also, now it has not just the mouth declicker, but it also has voice denoise, where it does some background noise. It takes that out. It has de-essers. It has de-reverb, which I think is really cool, where it can target the reverb and get rid of some of the reverb, which I love. It has a bunch of different things that is really fantastic, and it does go on sale quite often. So it's from Izotope, so it's Izotope. But anyways, that's just a really good plugins. And again, it's RX7 Standard. Elements are okay, but they're not going to be as good as Standard. And then the other one I want to recommend is just one plugin from Waves. Now, this is not a comprehensive list. This was just a question I had, which was, what plugins do you recommend? And I wanted to give you just a couple. And besides RX7 Standard, the other one is from Waves, and it's NS1. From Waves. It is a noise suppressor, and I think it really works wonderful. You can't, boost it so much it'll degrade your audio after a while, but it is definitely one of the better plugins that I've used throughout the years of my voiceover business to get rid of some tough background noise to get rid of. NS1 works really well. So the plugins I recommend come in the package from Izotope's RX7 Standard, and also Waves, Waves, NS1. Okay? All right, well, I hope this helps. I know this was a short video, but I really was just making it to answer that simple question, what plugins do I recommend? And by the way, these plugins work for they work for Audacity, Reaper, Adobe Audition, You know, you can even put them in GarageBand. You can use these plugins anywhere. Okay, so they're fantastic and usable no matter what program you're using. Okay, I'm sure there might be one or two programs out there that you can't use it, but you pretty much can use it with most of the mainstream things that we use today. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day. Oh, and by the way, click the like, subscribe button so you can get more. And also, if you don't know anything about our Fiverr Elite program, we have a wonderful group where we meet on Wednesdays and Saturdays, and we go over how to grow your business. Wednesday sessions are for newbies, and Saturday sessions are voice acting and all kinds of different things, and marketing and growing your Fiverr business. We'd love to have you. Check out the link below. But anyways, you have a wonderful week. I'll talk to you soon. Peace!